What do the 1% successful traders do that the other 99% don't? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 12 tips on what the 1% successful Forex traders do that the other 99% do not do. 1% successful Forex traders treat Forex trading like a business. They understand that Forex trading is like any other business venture. It is not gambling. That is why they treat Forex trading just like a business. The 1% successful Forex trader treat Forex trading with a long-term mindset. They know fully well that Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick business. So that is why they approach Forex trading with a long-term mindset. They have the mindset that it's going to take them some time to become successful, and that is why they are not desperate. They are not rushing. They are always calm, waiting for the right opportunity to strike. And with that, they are looking at trading with a long-term mindset. They are not looking at it in a short-term mindset. So that is what 1% successful Forex traders do that the rest 99% do not. The 1% successful Forex traders have a specific plan that they always adhere to every day. They always have a plan and a goal that they wish to achieve every day, right? So the 1% successful Forex traders have a plan, a specific plan that they always strive to actualize before the end of the day. The 1% successful Forex traders do not chase opportunity. Rather, they wait for opportunity to come to them and they strike. The 1% successful Forex traders are not quick to take trades. They are always calm, resilient, and always looking for opportunity. And when the opportunity arrives, they strike. They don't chase after opportunity. They relax and wait for opportunity to come to them while they strike. The 1% successful Forex traders knows that not all their ideas will work most of the time. They know fully well that sometimes they are going to be wrong and sometimes they are going to be right. So they tend to accept their mistakes. Whenever they make mistake, they learn from it and try not to repeat the same mistake again. So the 1% successful Forex traders knows that not all of their ideas will be right. They know fully well that sometimes they are going to make wrong choices and sometimes they are going to make the right choices. So what they do is they learn from their wrong choices and increase their right choices. The 1% successful Forex traders do not chase missed opportunity. When they miss an opportunity, they don't chase after that missed opportunity. They wait patiently for a new opportunity to come before them and they strike. They act like lion. Lion doesn't chase after people that they could not catch. Once they miss a target, they relax and hide, waiting for the next target. That is what successful 1% Forex traders do. They don't chase after missed opportunity. They know fully well that the Forex market is filled with endless opportunity, and that is why whenever they miss a particular opportunity, they relax and wait patiently for the next opportunity. having the mindset that the next opportunity will arrive very soon. And when this opportunity arrives, they strike immediately without any hesitation. The 1% successful forex traders are flexible and relentless. They know how to adapt to market dynamics. They are not chasing after clouds. They have a perfected trading plan, and they know that the market is dynamic. So whenever the market changes, they change alongside with the market. That is why they are always flexible. They are always relentless. They make sure that they walk along with the slope of the market. They trade along with the market. They trade in the direction of the market. They know when the market is going up, going down, or ranging, and they adjust their trading strategy to fit with the current market condition. The 1% successful forex traders, when they meet an opportunity, they strike immediately. They don't wait, they don't waste time, because they know that once an opportunity comes and they waste time, they might lose the opportunity. So they strike whenever they identify an opportunity in the market. They don't wait for second guessing. They don't wait for anything. They take their trade immediately. They spot an opportunity. So when others are panicking, when others are scared of taking trades, when others are thinking whether if they should take trades or not, the 1% successful traders do not have a second thought. When they spot an opportunity, they take trade immediately without wasting time. So when they identify an opportunity, they act upon that opportunity as fast as possible without wasting time, even when others are panicking and being scared of approaching or making use of that opportunity. The 1% successful forex traders never stop learning. They know fully well that forex trading is a business, so they never stop learning. They never stop learning ideas on how to grow their account. They never stop learning ideas on how to develop themselves. They never stop learning ideas on how to perfect their craft. They are always learning. The 1% successful forex traders are always students in the market. They are not I know it all. They are always learning. They strive to learn new information and idea every single day. So this is what the 1% successful forex traders do that the rest 99% do not. The 1% successful forex traders do not give up when things are not working in their favor. They never give up. Rather, they are always persistent. They strive, they work to make sure that things work for them. When things are going against them, when things become too difficult for them, they never give up. Rather, they keep striving with a strong zeal of persistence. They never give up. They don't accept anything called give up. So the 1% successful forex traders never give up. They are always persistent. The 1% successful forex traders do not complain all the time. They don't complain to people all the time. They don't complain about their businesses. They don't complain about their problems. They don't complain about their challenges. Rather, they focus on finding lasting solution to their predicament. Instead of complaining about their problems, predicaments, and challenges to people, they strive looking for solution to their problem. They focus their energy on looking for solutions to their problem. They don't complain too much. Rather, they are always focused looking on how they are going to solve their problems. So these are the things that the 1% successful forex trader do that the remaining 99% do not. So if you truly want to be among the 1% successful forex traders, then you need to have the mindset of a forex trader. If you have the mindset of a forex trader, then you need to trade forex trading like a business. When you treat it like a business, you are going to nurture it and grow it with time. So if you want to join the 1% successful forex traders, my advice for you is to rewind this video and rewatch it again, listen attentively, and you will be able to become among the 1% successful forex traders who are cashing out every day from the forex market. So my advice for you guys is to never give up. Keep working hard, keep believing in yourself, keep striving. Know fully well that the road might be narrow, the road might be rough, but have it at the back of your mind that with time the road will become an express for you to move into a new level. Never give up. Always be persistent. Keep striving. Focus on your dream. Know fully well that your dream, your goal, your destiny is in your hands. So if you truly want to become successful, you need to have a determination, a burning desire to be successful. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope you love this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educative content like this, and also don't forget to turn on the notification icon to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new content. I will see you again in my next update. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.